RIP StopTech. Replacement of the rotor rings for ST-60 front brake kit. This is off an E39 M5, but should be pretty similar. Start with a 4mm and start to remove the hardware. Trying to separate the hat from the rotor itself. Some pretty simple hardware right here. Not torqued very tightly. Giving the hardware a quick bath in some acid. Hydrochloric acid. Just kidding, it's degreaser. All right, there's the blank hat. Almost ready for reassembly. Coming out of the fresh bath of acid degreaser. Playing some tricks for the crowd. Go grab your new iron disc. You're going to want to just ensure that the holes do align with the pattern of your existing hat to the new rotor. I can confirm in this case it's a perfect match. Next, a little bit of Loctite. This is blue. Instructions call for green. I didn't have that. I'm sure the rotor will fly off the car. All right, you're going to want to fill the female end of the hardware with a little dab of Loctite on each one. And begin to start reassembling the hardware into its hole. Next, the 4mm screws and little washers will go between the head of the screw and the disc itself. But that's it. It's male to female with a washer in between. It's pretty simple. Then I'm just gonna begin to hand tighten equal pressure, being very precise with the torque applied. Just kidding. Just get them all nice and snug. And here, you're gonna bring out your little torque wrench, if you got one. Some instructions like StopTech will say 6 foot-pounds. Paragon states, if you're using new hardware, 10 foot-pounds. Somewhere between 6 and 10, it's hand tight. Do not use an impact on these. You will smoke them. There's a cool little feature machined right into the rotor itself. The dimensions, the make, the model, the year, the min thickness, the max thickness. All pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. And this is the other side. Side 1 done, side 2 currently in progress. I don't know what happened to StopTech. My guess is that nobody bought them. Nobody ran them. At least not at the track. You don't see them too often, really, if any. I'm not running this on the track. Not this pig. So these are just street, daily driver, duty. So I can't tell you how well they'll hold up on the track. But they look good and they feel great. I got these on alconkits.com. Seems like a great quality rotor, machined with finesse and skill. So we'll probably be getting another 50,000 miles out of these. And there it is. That's it. Pretty easy. Just a little close-up of the actual part number. These are 355 by 32. mill fit perfect. And remember, less brake, more gas.